What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today you're going to see me dye this wig. I'm going to be dyeing it from this natural 1B color to around between a 4 or 27 type of blonde color. Now here you'll just see me kind of fingering out some of those curls. This is a 13x6 lace front wig, and this is in deep wave. For this you will need gloves, comb, tint brush, and clips. You will need some type of lightening powder. For this, I did use the Ion Color Brilliance. And a 30 volume cream developer. And I purchased all these from my local Sally's, or if you do have your own local beauty supply. Now I'm going to go in and section off the wig. I'm going to take part of the frontal and I'm going to put that in one section. I will tie that down with my little mini scrunchie here. And then for the back section, I'm going to just section that into two. I usually section the entire wig into 4, but this wig is at 150 density. It's not very, very thick, so I didn't need to section it any more than 3. I'm just going to do a quick comb through before I go ahead and apply the bleach. I did mix the bleach and developer as directed. I didn't do any special measurements. Now, as I'm applying the bleach, you will see me go in right after and comb it through with the comb. I just want to make sure I get all strands saturated, as well as kind of use my hands to kind of fill it in and rub it through to everywhere it's needed. Now, once the back is completely done, you're going to see me go ahead and start on the frontal portion. Now, I did the same that I did with the back. The only difference I did on this part was that I really want to make sure that I saturate the knots as well as the hair. I'm being very, very generous with the amount of bleach that I'm putting on the roots simply for that reason. I want to make sure that it sinks down and it gets both jobs done. Now, as I get to this side, you'll get a glimpse of the back of the hair, which is one of the first two sections where I applied the bleach. And you can see that it is really, really light. I wasn't really worried about that at all, just because I know that the developer is going to lighten it up into a certain stage, not past that. It's just up to me and how long I leave the bleach on in order to prevent the hair follicles from actually damaging. Now, I am not a professional. I just kind of know this stuff by experience and just by watching. I later found out from my mother, who is a professional, that I should have used a 20 volume developer on the back and a 30 volume on top, and that would have made the bleach kind of come out a lot more evenly. Now that all that's done, you'll see me just kind of go back through the wig. I'm going to kind of use the body heat from my hand to lighten that top part a lot quicker. This is where I kind of noticed, okay, it's not going to get as bright as the back. Now this video was taken immediately after washing and conditioning the hair. I'm really satisfied with the color and the way that it came out. And then I'll show you a clip in a second of how it looks after it dried, and I believe this was the next day. Now here's a clip from Snapchat. This is the next day after the hair had dried. The color came out perfect. The curl pattern was still there. The highlights in the back look beautiful and it blends in really well. My customer was very satisfied. Here's a few clips of her. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments.